Introducing the 2018 Hyundai Elantra, designed to give you what you really want in a compact, more. The Elantra's exterior displays an evolution of the design language Hyundai has become famous for, called fluidic sculpture, to create a new, more refined expression called dynamic precision, which aims to blend aspects of dynamism with a sense of balance. The thoughtfulness we've given to the outside of the Elantra continues inside, where you'll find contemporary and intuitive interior design, along with a total interior volume of 110 cubic feet. Forward-thinking design is also on display in the Elantra's available HID headlights with dynamic bending light to help you see around corners. Available door handle approach lights help make entry at night easier. And the Elantra's available LED daytime running lights and tail lights help increase visibility to other drivers. While the Elantra was designed to be practical, that doesn't mean from a performance standpoint it had to be boring. With 3 different engine options, whether it's exhilarating performance or fuel economy you desire, the Elantra delivers something for everyone. A spirited 2.0-liter, 147-horsepower 4-cylinder comes standard under the hood. If you're looking for better fuel economy that doesn't come at the expense of power, there's an available Eco trim with a 1.4-liter turbo GDI engine with 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers 128 horsepower and up to an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon highway. For more driving excitement, the Elantra Sport is powered by our 1.6-liter turbo GDI inline 4-cylinder engine, which produces 201 horsepower and is paired with a traditional 6-speed manual gearbox standard, something all spirited driving enthusiasts will love. The Sport's available 7-speed dual-clutch transmission comes with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. The Sport-exclusive rear multi-link independent suspension and larger front and rear stabilizer bars offer nimble handling and limit body roll in tight turns. The Elantra comes packed with cutting-edge technology and smart features to help assist you in every way imaginable when behind the wheel. An available 8-inch touchscreen navigation system ensures you're on the right route. Or the available 7-inch display audio system with smartphone functionality keeps you connected. Available BlueLink connected car services provide the utmost inconvenience, allowing you to use simple voice commands to remotely start, set interior temperature, lock and unlock your car, turn on the lights, and a lot more. Destination search on the BlueLink mobile app is also super helpful, allowing you to quickly locate whatever it is you're looking for. The destination will then be sent directly to your Elantra, so location and directions are automatically waiting for you when you get in. Or just press the navigation services button on your rearview mirror and use your voice to start the search. To help make the ride even more enjoyable, there's an available Infinity Premium audio system with 8 speakers and subwoofer and Clarify music restoration technology to make your favorite music sound better than ever. We wanted to make the Elantra a car that you look forward to getting into. To accomplish this, we went to great lengths to make it as comfortable as possible and integrate features that help make life a little easier. For example, when your hands are full, there's an available hands-free smart trunk that opens for you automatically by sensing your key fob when standing behind the car. There are also available dual USB charging ports to keep your devices charged on the go. Available heated front and rear seats will keep you comfy on those cold mornings and chilly nights. And the Elantra's available integrated memory system remembers the position of the driver's seat and the side mirrors you prefer for those times someone else has been behind the wheel. We even made the Elantra comfortable for your ears, incorporating design and engineering innovations to keep cabin noise and vibrations to an absolute minimum. Everything we've done to make the Elantra the best compact on the road means nothing if it isn't safe, which is why we've gone to such great lengths to make certain all the safety features we've engineered into it are the best they can be. Available blind spot detection is designed to alert you when there's a vehicle in your blind spot before you change lanes. An available rear cross traffic alert helps warn you if cars are approaching from the side when reversing out of a parking space. Available automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection can warn the driver of a potential collision ahead. And if the driver doesn't react, the system is designed to automatically apply emergency braking. To help ensure you don't drift out of your lane and stay a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you, there's an available lane keep assist and smart cruise control. And in instances of side collisions, we've engineered impact beams into the doors to better protect occupants. We've also installed 7 standard airbags, including a driver's knee airbag, to help give you some extra peace of mind. In fact, the Elantra does safety so well, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety chose it as a Top Safety Pick Plus for 2018. Inside and out, no other material is utilized more in the creation of an automobile than steel. Which is why we manufacture our own, because it allows us to control quality and ensure that it stands up to our stringent standards. The result is high-tensile, advanced high-strength steel that not only creates a safer, more rigid foundation and cabin, but also reduces noise, vibration, and harshness. Even better, this stronger steel is also more lightweight, which translates into better fuel economy. We feel so strongly about the quality of the Elantra that we offer America's best warranty. Whereas other car companies routinely offer 5-year powertrain warranties, Hyundai offers a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty for an extra measure of peace of mind. More features, more technology, more safety. That's a lot more. The 2018 Hyundai Elantra.
Meet the Elantra Sport. Unleash the 201 horsepower engine, mated to a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT transmission with paddle shifters. But power is nothing without precision. At the core is the superstructure, constructed from our very own advanced high-strength steel to deliver an ultra-rigid frame that enabled precise tuning of key suspension components. So that when we outfitted and sport-tuned the Elantra Sport with an independent multi-link rear suspension, you would feel it. The Sport's enhanced design cues stand out on the road. Unique blacked-out headlight housing, an aggressive grille and front bumper design, striking LED daytime running lights, and distinctive rear bumper. Dynamic details overhaul the cabin with performance-inspired interior accents. Sport-bolstered leather front seats. Red stitching throughout. Sporty D-cut steering wheel. And a refined, sport-inspired gauge cluster. All details that accelerate your style. Because Canadian winters demand it, the steering wheel and front seats are heated. Always stay connected with easy access to your favorite mobile applications, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And stream music through the 315-watt audio system with 8 speakers. It's truly surround sound. Now, open the sunroof and enjoy the ride. A ride that is covered by our 5-year, 100,000-kilometer warranty. Flat tire? You're also covered with our 5-year, unlimited kilometer roadside assistance. It's just a phone call away. Fueled by confidence, power, and precision.